Hiya friends, welcome back to my colourful art studio. Today I've got something super duper fun planned for us. We're going to unleash our imagination and create magical creatures inspired by nature. Sounds exciting, right? Let's get started. First things first, we need to gather some materials. So grab a basket or a bag and head outside. Look around for interesting leaves, twigs and pebbles. Keep your eyes peeled for cool shapes that might inspire different creatures. Maybe a leaf looks like a dragon's wing, or a twig could be a creature's tail. Use your imagination and collect whatever catches your eye. Alrighty, now that we've got our nature treasures, let's head back to the art studio. Time to get creative. Grab your glue, scissors and paper. Oh, and don't forget the googly eyes and markers. If you've got glitter or paint, that's an extra bonus. Let's bring these magical creatures. Start by picking out a leaf, twig or pebble that you want to use as the base of your creature. For example, I'm going to use this big green leaf as a dragon's wing. Place it on your paper and glue it down. Next, find a twig, be the dragon's tail and glue that too. Keep adding pieces until your creature starts to take shape. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Just have fun and let your imagination run wild. Now it's time to decorate. Grab those googly eyes and stick them on your creature to give it some personality. Use markers to add details like scales, fur or feathers. And if you're feeling extra fancy, sprinkle some glitter or add a splash. Wow, look at that! Your magical creature looks amazing! Alright, it's time for our mini creature showcase. Gather your family or friends and show off your creations. Tell them all about your magical creatures and the adventure might go on. Remember, every creature is unique and special, just like you. Before we wrap up, I've got a fun challenge for you. Try making your own magical creatures at home and share your pictures with us using the hashtag #magicalnaturecreatures. I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for joining me on this creative adventure. Remember, creativity is all around us. Keep exploring and who knows what magical creatures you'll find. Bye for now.